Best deals.
1. Canisters. It can keep vegetable and fruit fresh for longer time in refrigerator. Easy to clean and all are dishwasher safe. Canisters with air ventilation has attractive and elegant look coupled with a classy finish makes it a must-have for most homes. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Scrub pad. Edges corner to clean dirt from small corners of walls. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Peeler. Sharp serrated blade, quickly removes corn kernels with ease, a perfect corn peeler and corn remover tool. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cylinder holder. Suitable for all standard LPG gas cylinders. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Jars. Come with split-type sealing lids, which ensure air tightness and leak-proof, making them perfect for preserving and canning. Can be used for canning or storing various foods or daily necessities, such as sauces, desserts, spices, honey, fruits, spices, pickles, candles. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Bangle bag. The built-in rod keeps your bangles, chudis, and bracelets neatly stacked and protected, preventing damage during storage or travel. The transparent PVC top allows you to instantly see your bangles. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Chopper. Made of food-grade plastic, these green Vidalia graters are built to last through heavy kitchen use with their sturdy construction. Featuring 4 different grating surfaces, coarse, medium, fine and slicing. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Tawa. Ergonomic, stay cool handle ensures comfort and control while cooking. Thickness promotes quick and uniform heat distribution to prevent hot spots, with ultra-durable non-stick coating safe for metal utensils. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Shower caddy. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Pickle jar. Each jar comes with a silicone gasket and a spoon. The jar is safe for use in the freezer and dishwasher. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mats roll. Made of PVC, a durable and resilient material that will pass the test of time. The cabinet liners are also odorless so you can enjoy a more comfortable place for yourself and your family. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Organizer. Is made of non-woven fabric material, 2.0 mm thick cardboard. Dividers are sewn together and each slot shares the same bottom. There is a zipper diagonally across the bottom, just need zip to use it. Zipper can help keep its square shape and allows you to fold when not in use, saving a lot of space, suitable for ties, underwear, panties or socks. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Slow juicer. Cold press process for maximum juice extraction and nutrients retention. Can be used to extract juices, prepare smoothies and sorbet. Large 74 mm feeding tube, can process whole fruits like orange and apple. Screw-shaped pulverizing auger to squeeze last drop of juice. 240 W AC motor and 100% copper motor induction motor with extreme torque to squeeze fruits and vegetables juice to the last extent. 100% BPA-free highest food-grade plastic jar for your good health and lifelong usage. Special cleaning tool helps in cleaning the juicer in less than a minute. Juicer uses 100% pure copper wound motor, strong Ultim and Trutton material, 100% BPA-free highest food-grade material for your good health and lifelong usage. Cold press juicer is capable of squeezing any fruit, vegetable, leafy greens and nut milk. Versatile options included, enjoy delicious smoothie and sorbet of seasonal fruits like mango, strawberry, blueberry, kiwi. Smoothie and sorbet strainers need to be purchased separately. Features an 88 mm wide chute for whole fruits and a 43 mm narrow chute for smaller ingredients, offering versatility and convenience. Simplifies fruit and vegetable insertion for a hassle-free juicing experience. newest semi-commercial motor is not only quieter but also more powerful and durable, offering a continuous runtime of up to 40 to 45 minutes, making it ideal for larger batches. Built with advanced safety features and quiet performance for everyday use. Modern matte finish design adds elegance and sophistication to your kitchen decor. A thick textured smoothie with seasonal fruits like strawberries, mango, custard apple, kiwi, blueberries, etc. blended with milk. Tasty and sugar-free natural sorbet made with seasonal frozen fruits like mango, strawberry, banana, black grapes. Prepare delicious and homemade vegan nut milk from almond, cashew, soy, coconut. Latest patented juicing screw. The new bladeless auger now contains a chopping mechanism that chops the ingredients before squeezing. Engineered with reinforced durability to enhance performance, prevent spillage, and ensure a seamless juicing experience. Accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time significantly. Innovative O-shape flip gate simplifies fruit and vegetable insertion for a hassle-free juicing experience. Ensures maximum safety during operation. Advanced auger technology, upgraded for faster and more efficient juice extraction. Cold press juices offer superior nutrient retention, higher yield, and better quality juice compared to centrifugal juicers. Using a slow, heat-free pressing mechanism, they preserve delicate vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. Key benefits include richer taste, less foam, longer storage life, quiet operation, and better extraction from leafy greens. By avoiding heat and minimizing oxidation, cold press juices, or slow juices, ensure that enzymes and heat-sensitive nutrients remain intact. This results in a more nutrient-dense, healthier drink. These juices apply intense pressure to crush and squeeze ingredients, extracting more liquid from vegetables, fruits, and leafy greens compared to traditional centrifugal models. The slower process produces a smoother, denser juice with less foam, which is generally considered higher quality and more flavorful. Because of lower oxidation rates, cold-pressed juice can last in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days, allowing for bulk preparation. The low-speed grinding mechanism operates with minimal noise, unlike the loud, high-speed blades of conventional juicers. They excel at processing a wide range of produce, including leafy greens, kale, spinach, herbs, and wheatgrass, which are difficult for other juicers. Because the process produces minimal heat, the natural flavors and vitamins of the fruits and vegetables are better preserved. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use in the kitchen. Product link is given in the 13th link.